I'm told Kabir Bedi, the actor, is also going to join us in a moment. He's become again a Modi supporter, we're told. This is Kabir Bedi. You were, I thought, supposed to represent the Mumbai elite who were little distrustful of Mr. Modi's politics. Has one victory changed it all? Do you really believe that Narendra Modi is actually changing this country for the better?
Absolutely. I supported him in 2014 as well. I support him again in 2019. I feel that he is the best person for the job. I believe in his sincerity. I believe in his intentions. I think he is a model of good governance. And I think India has recognized that, and that's